Here is the script for reviewing the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless. Hey there, fellow productivity enthusiasts. Are you tired of wasting time sorting through stacks of papers? Well, buckle up because today we're going to dive into the most advanced ScanSnap yet, the iX2500 wireless. This baby's got it all: speed, style, and smart scanning tech that'll make your life so much easier. Let's start with the touchscreen. This isn't just any ordinary screen, it's a large, seamless display that responds like a smartphone, making navigation a breeze. Plus, with automatic optimizations, you can get your documents scanned in no time. Talk about cutting-edge technology. Now, I know what you're thinking: how fast is this thing? Well, let me tell you, it scans at an impressive 45 pages per minute, double-sided, too. That's like scanning a whole stack of papers in just a few minutes. And with its high-capacity document feeder holding up to 100 sheets, you can scan entire files and binders without having to reload. But what really sets the iX2500 apart is its wireless connectivity. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to smart devices or cloud services. With Wi-Fi 6, this scanner is lightning fast and secure. And if you're feeling old school, don't worry, it still has a USB-C connection for good old reliable backup. Now, let's talk about organization. This scanner makes it effortless to manage your scan data from documents, receipts, photos, and even business cards. It automatically optimizes, names, and sorts files so you can find what you need in seconds. No more digging through digital folders or losing track of important documents. But what about those pesky paper jams? Don't worry, the iX2500's got your back with its brake roller system, multi-feed sensor, and skew detection. It's like having a personal paper wrangler. One feature that might not be immediately obvious is the customization options. Want to scan specific documents or profiles? No problem. You can select from personalized profiles right on the touchscreen, sending your files to PC, Mac, mobile devices, or even cloud services. Now, I want to talk about something really important: accessibility and energy efficiency. The iX2500 is designed with everyone in mind. Kids and grandkids alike can use it without any issues. And don't worry about it draining your battery. This scanner's built for long-lasting performance. As you can see, the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless has got it all: speed, style, and smart scanning tech that'll make your life so much easier. But I know what you're thinking: is it worth the investment? Let me tell you, with its 4.4-star rating, 281 reviews, and stellar features, this scanner's a game changer. So, if you want to upgrade your scanning game and join the ranks of productivity rockstars, check out the link below for the best price on the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless.